Today, I'm going to teach you about how to add and edit a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. In your Google Doc, you're going to first start by clicking on Insert at the top toolbar and going down to Table. Hover your mouse over Table, and then you have a menu that comes up and you select what you want your size table to be. For this example, we're going to do a table that has two columns and 6. Once you click that, your table is created in your Google Doc. Now, you want to add your information. To go to the next box, you can click over using the right arrow key, or you may press Tab. Now, if I want to add a row or a column, I right-click, and then when this menu comes up, I can either insert a row above where I'm located, below where I'm located, or a column to the left or a column to the right. Let's just insert a column to the right, and you see how there's a column that has been created between the food item column and the cost item column. Going to delete that. If you want to delete it, you can highlight it, right click again, and then press Delete Column. I'm going to go ahead and complete our chart. Now, let's talk about how to format the table once you have it inserted and filled out to what you would like. To change the cell dimensions, you can do that a couple of ways. If I hover by the lines, you notice that it changes, my mouse changes, and this I can pull down to make the cells larger. I can also do the same for my columns. Next, if I want to change the alignment of the cells, I highlight the cells, right-click, and go down to Table Properties. This pulls up a menu over here. I click on Cell. If I want to change the vertical alignment, I come here, I want to put it right middle. If I want to put the alignment horizontally, I want to change it to center. I come up here and I press centered. Okay. Another thing I can do is change the color of the background on the cells. I do that by the same menu. I click Color. I'm going to highlight all of my cells. On the cell background, I'm going to change it to a nice yellow. Next, I want to change my table border. I'm going to choose a white, which may sound odd, but you'll see. And right here as well, you can change the thickness of your border. So instead of the default 1 point, I'm going to change it to 3, so that's going to make the line thicker. Here I have my table. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, I want to kind of make this header row stand out. So I'm going to change the background of just these two cells to a different color. Let's choose blue. And then I'd also like to make this stand out, so I'm going to bold the text and increase the font size. Now, here is our completed table in a Google Doc.